4 chefs, 3 courses, only 1 chance to win. The challenge: create an unforgettable meal from the mystery items hidden in these baskets before time runs out. Time's up. One by one, they must face the dreaded chopping block.
You have been chopped.
Who will win the $10,000 prize? And who will be chopped? Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. Please open your baskets. And we've got quail eggs, white asparagus, hibiscus flowers in syrup, and spiced ham in a can. You'll have 20 minutes for the appetizer course. Starting now.
My palate is a lot more sophisticated than spiced ham, but it's still in a doggone basket. So I'm gonna make an open-faced spiced ham and asparagus sandwich.
I have a very farm-to-table oriented way of cooking. I'm making a fried quail egg over greens with grilled asparagus.
Croissant is actually Moroccan-French stuffed dough. I start with the filling with some tomatoes, diced sauteed asparagus. I diced ham, some basil, some sage.
The curveball ingredient. Doesn't smell as much like dog food as I thought it would. I'm almost embracing it. I'm gonna make a ragu of white asparagus, hard-boiled eggs, spiced ham with a fried quail egg on top.
Chefs, this is your 2-minute warning.
Behind.
Angela, we're very concerned. She's just starting to go to plate.
I don't think it's gonna take a lot of time to put greens on a plate. I'm not gonna get chopped.
I've got a pan with 7 quail eggs in it, and I start manually cutting myself out some quail eggs.
10, 9, 8.
Turn around and realize I have my hibiscus syrup in the back there.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Noureddin.
I've made a Moroccan-inspired chausson with a hibiscus syrup dressing. A chausson is a dough with meat, vegetables, cinnamon, paprika.
I really enjoyed the way that you were able to season this mixture and add a little bit of exoticness.
Chef Noureddin, thank you.
Thank you.
Next, we have Chef Angela.
This is a brown butter fried quail egg over greens with grilled asparagus and canned spiced ham. And there's a caramelized hibiscus flower on top for you.
I think that's a nice sweet and sour caramelized hibiscus. The idea is great.
Next, we have Chef Vaughn.
All right, well, this is a open-faced asparagus and spiced ham sandwich.
You have wonderful texture. Your spiced ham is really well seared.
Sir.
The egg is cooked very well. The asparagus was cooked well.
And last appetizer, Chef Justin.
I have a ragu of white asparagus, hard-boiled eggs, cornichons, and a diced spiced ham rendered out.
You're very successful at masking the spiced ham and letting the white asparagus be the star. Oh, the little grabiche-esque salad on the side. This is very tasty.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Angela, you've been chopped. Chef Noureddin, Chef Vaughn, Chef Justin, good luck. Please open your baskets. The mandatory ingredients for the entree course are lake perch, tomatoes on the vine, avocados, and rolled oats. 30 minutes for the entree round. Starting now.
I'm making tigra, a fish tagine from Tangiers from northern Morocco.
Now, what runs through my mind, oatmeal risotto. Risotto doesn't refer to rice, but more a cooking method. If you whip it enough, you can generate starch.
I'm hoping to get a crust on the outside of the fish with the rolled oats. So bread it up and do a quick sear. And then I decided to make avocado and vine tomato salsa.
The fish is now cooked at this point. So then I take the fillet off and I have one crispy side and one soggy side on all of them. I'm worried.
Garnish my plate with lemon, lime, and orange. I know my Moroccan flavors are gonna put me a step above anybody else. Losing is not in my vocabulary.
1 minute left, chefs.
I'm just struggling with the time. But either you're gonna score or you're gonna lose.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Vaughn.
Well, this is a oat-crusted perch with lemongrass braised red potatoes.
I like the avocado salsa very much. The cilantro is really nice. And the tomatoes, you capitalized on how bright and acidic they are.
Chef Vaughn, thank you. Next up, Chef Justin.
You have roasted perch with an oatmeal risotto, avocado and lime puree, and a tomato and basil chutney on top.
I like the chutney as well as the avocado puree. I thought you got some really good flavor there. You brought a lot of the natural sugars.
And finally, Chef Nuruddin.
I made a tagre of perch stuffed with herbe de Provence.
Well, I really, really enjoy this dish because it's not something that I would have expected.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Vaughn, you've been chopped. Chef Nuruddin, Chef Justin, please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are sour cherries, croissants, clotted cream, and lemongrass. 30 minutes for the dessert round. Clock starts now.
So I focus on making a bread pudding. I've made bread pudding before. I know egg to cream ratio, and I can use the croissants in a bread pudding.
I grew up eating French pastry, so I'm gonna make profiterole croissant, which is a pastry-filled croissant with crème chantilly.
2-minute warning.
I'm a little bit worried about my lemongrass. I just want to take that out and strain it and just smear the croissant. But my headaches are getting worse, and somehow I black out. My brain is not sending any ideas to my body. And I have to put on a plate and make the best with what I have. This is crazy.
I pull out my custards. The bread's kind of dense, so hold the heat, so it's getting there. My heart is pounding.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Justin.
It's a croissant bread pudding with a sour cherry compote and creme from yogurt and the clotted cream.
Well, I like what you did here because I thought you were able to keep the cherries very bright. The acidity cuts through the fatness of the clotted cream.
The bread pudding set really well.
And next up, Chef Nuruddin.
You have here a sour cherry cream-filled croissant with crispy lemongrass and roasted pine nuts.
We've seen a lot of things from you today. Some very impressive things.
Thank you.
And I feel like this is a waste of my time.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Yes. Great job, bud.
Chef Nuruddin, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Justin Werner, that you are the chopped champion and that you've just won $10,000.
Wow.